Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Brightwheel, which is perfect software for childcare management. We will go through some pros and cons, what you can expect from Brightwheel, what you can compare it to, and also we'll check the pricing plans so you know what it is worth and what you should be prepared for. So, Brightwheel is an innovative childcare management software solution that lets users manage attendance, enrollment, learning plans, billing, and parent communication. It is easy to use software that allows users to save up to 1 hour of their time per day per staff member. The tool is built to work on any device, reduces users' paperwork, and saves time and money. Users can effectively manage their classroom by letting them streamline their daily schedule using the software. Managing attendance, capturing learning milestones of each child, everything in strong, forward, and easy with Brightwheel. Brightwheel also helps users with licensing requirements, saves time and effort by automating bill pay and invoicing. The tool also allows users and admins to keep parents updated with information and their child's growth. It lets them send photos, videos, and messages to parents. Brightwheel keeps staff and students safe by allowing contactless check-in. It stores everything related to child and their family emergency details for users in one secure place. It's meant to be for all types of daycare centers, small, medium, or even the largest of the centers. And you can run it on your mobile phone. If it's Android or iOS, it's completely fine. And obviously you can run it in your web browser. The first thing that, in my opinion, it's a little bit clumsy, it's the fact that you can't really sign straight away for free trial of Brightwheel. You have to ask them for a demo. So once you go and click on get a demo, you have to give them all of your informations, and also organization name and enrollment capacity, and they will send you the demo according to your needs, which is kinda okay, kinda nice, and most definitely it's the most common thing among these types of software, which is like CRM for children. But if you really in haste and you really have to come up with the software as soon as possible or for a solution to your problems, it will take some time that you probably don't have. But yeah, that same thing goes with the closest competitor, which is Hi Mama. That we already did some videos about. So they are quite similar, but I feel my Brightwheel is a little bit more busier for the eyes. It's not that easy to read, but very good option indeed. If you feel like you are not into like let's say childish UI, then Brightwheel is maybe the better option for you. Both of them are very professional, both of them are packed with features. We can check it out. But not like this, I'm sorry, but we have to check the features. I also like the Hi Mama's website better, but that's just my point of view. It doesn't have to confront all. It doesn't have to affect your opinion. Yeah, and feature by feature, we can go with digital sheets. As you can see, those are icons that you would expect all the way down to simplify it as much as possible. And when you click in the features and you want to see some screens or some pictures of the UI itself, it's not present. So you see, like, if you want to get a closer look to health checks, for example, we don't have that option. Everything is lining us towards the option of request a demo. Same, if we want to know what is it for or worth, we have to go to pricing and get a quotation, which is also a little bit more like, it will take time. That's my point of view. But if you're a business or an organization, most of the time you set yourself some time, or give yourself some time to actually get it done, so it doesn't have to be like click and you already decided and paid. So it's completely up to you. When you request the demo, most definitely it will come like in a few hours at last. We already asked for a demo, but I wanted really to create this video to how it's done. You just basically fill in all of those, also with organization. And as you can see, Brightwheel is only providing the demo for the daycare center itself. For example, Hi Mama, which I know I'm going to like, which I'm really comparing it to the most. You can also get an account as a parent, and that's, in my opinion, the best thing for Hi Mama. So you can basically, as a parent, log in into the account of your daycare unit, and there you can see all the payments you're about to pay, or you have to pay for example, classes or books or some kind of vacations. And it's everything under one place. Like, you don't have to pay for multiple softwares to cover everything. And I don't get that from Brightwheel. So that being said, since we are waiting still for our demo, we will go through and find out how to, for example, create some schedule for a child and many more options. I would love to thank you for your time, for watching this video, and I wish you a very nice day. And also, if you have any types of questions about Brightwheel so far in this introduction video, please leave them underneath this video, and I'll get back to them as quickly as possible. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.